Hello, everybody. It's your friend Zachary Betts here. This is the aftermath of a snowstorm here in Hudsonville, Michigan. Roads are very bad, especially the streets, and most especially the interstate highways. Look at that. Nothing but snow on the ground. This is the front yard. This is the street where I live. Let's check over here. And look at this. Deck's covered with snow. And check it over here. Snow over here in the backyard. Or the backyard. Look at that. The tree limb covered with snow is on that shit. On the roof of that shed. That is amazing. That. Take this picture. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And remember to have yourself a good one.